How to assemble our ProFlex series monitor mount with pole. Connect the clamp L bracket to the base using the provided bolts and tighten them until secure. Peel off the backing from the adhesive pad and stick it onto the installed clamp L bracket as shown. For desks with a thickness of 0.39 to 2.28 inches, attach the clamp handle to the upper 4 bolts. For desks 2.28 to 3.35 inches, attach it to the lower 4 bolts. Tighten until secure. Partially install the clamp bolts to the clamp screw assembly, then place the clamping plate onto the tips of the bolts. Slide the clamp fully over the desk and tighten both bolts until secure. Grommet assembly. Connect the grommet plate to the base using the provided bolts and tighten until secure. Peel off the backing from the adhesive pad and stick it onto the installed grommet plate as shown. Insert one of the grommet bolts through the center of the clamping plate. Place the base over the grommet hole and attach the grommet bolt and clamping plate from underneath the desk and tighten until secure. Twist the threaded end of the pole into the base until it is fully tightened, then tighten the set screws on the base. Place the cable management clip onto the pole. Loosen the set screws on the collar to move it to the desired height, then retighten. Slide the lower arm onto the pole until it rests on the collar, then partially tighten the set screw. Place the spring arm onto the end of the lower arm, then partially tighten the set screw. Connect the VISA head to the end of the spring arm using the VISA connector washer and VISA connector bolt as shown. Tighten until secure using the hex wrench. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt for your monitor's mounting holes and verify the length of the VISA bolt is not too long. Install the VISA plate onto the back of the monitor using the selected bolts and washers, ensuring that the arrow on the plate is pointing up to the top of the monitor. Hook the VISA plate from the back of the monitor onto the VISA head. Tighten the thumb screw until secure. To weight balance the gas spring arm, position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt, rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. If necessary, adjust the tilt angle of the screen by loosening the bolt behind the VISA plate on the side of the joint. Adjust to the desired viewing angle, then tighten the bolt again. Remove the cable management covers by sliding them up parallel to the arms, then pulling them away. Route the cables and reinstall the covers.